Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're talking about coffee pots. Around here, coffee is a very serious subject. We drink a lot of coffee, and for Christmas we got a 14-cup Ninja coffee pot maker. We thought it was going to be the greatest coffee pot we'd had in a long time. Well, I'm going to show you what we woke up to the day after Christmas, the next morning. Y'all come on and I'll show you just how our Ninja coffee pot worked for us. It's the day after Christmas, and this is the coffee pot that our son and daughter-in-law bought for us. It's the Ninja 14 cup. I want y'all to look. We tried to make this the morning after Christmas, and I think I got more on my counter than I did my cup. Well, we sent the Ninja back and we got this one. Now we're going to pour a cup of coffee with the Mr. Coffee. The Ninja didn't work out too good for us. I got more coffee on my counter than in my cup. So now let's look at the Mr. Coffee design. It's a little different. Let's see how it works. Not a drop on the counter. The Ninja, and we love Ninja products, but that Ninja coffee pot was a total disaster. So I think this one's going to work out a lot better. This is not a sponsor video. I just wanted to show y'all the difference in the Ninja 14 cup coffee maker and the Mr. Coffee 14 cup coffee maker. And around my house, this is how I have to fix my coffee. With a dog that thinks he's got to lay between me and the counter. And we're going to finish off today our butter pecan coffee creamer. I'll link it down below. If you've not tried to make your own homemade butter pecan coffee creamer, you don't know what you're missing. I'm almost out. It was delicious. Give it a try. And now I'm going to turn this cup around and show y'all where we got this cup at. We got this cup in Athens, Georgia, at a restaurant that's been there for years, and it's open 24 hours. Back when our boys both went to UGA, we went there to eat one day for lunch, and Travis had to buy a cup. If y'all are ever in Athens, you ought to go check out the grill. It's a nice restaurant. It went in my cup and not all over the counter. I think the Mr. Coffee wins. This Mr. Coffee pot lasts just as long as our original Mr. Coffee. We had it for almost probably 7 or 8 years. That's all my creamer. I guess I gotta make some more.